Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 2545 Tiffany Drive. This is an incredible brick rancher located in the Sonoma Ranch area, close to shopping, Highway 70, I-25, medical, just a great location. It sits on a little over a quarter of an acre, has RV access on the side and RV parking. Huge back east-facing backyard with a 501 square foot patio area back there. Tile throughout. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus an office, 2280 square feet. Come on in, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 2545 Tiffany Drive. Amazing property. This great brick rancher sits on this nice large lot. Beautiful backyard. You have a 501 square foot back patio. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus a little office space, formal dining room, tile throughout. It's refrigerated air. You got RV access on the side. Just an absolutely amazing property. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlascruces.com. Thanks. Have a great day.